Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, a MacBook or an iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones into pairing mode, okay? So we'll know that these are in pairing mode if the light down here is blinking blue, 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 okay? So the headphones are currently off. Let me turn it on first. It said power on. It said connected, okay? If it's in pairing mode, it would say pairing and it would be blinking blue here, but mine's connected to a different device. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and manually just put this into pairing mode, okay? So for myself, I gotta double tap this power button. 1, 2. And now it said pairing, and now it's blinking blue, and now we're in pairing mode. Now we can shoot over to the Mac, and we wanna navigate to the Apple logo, top left-hand side, and we're gonna go down to System Settings. From here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on right there. And you see that little spinny thing right there next to nearby devices? These are the things that are in pairing mode that is near me, okay? The headphones are still in a pairing mode, and it did find the 670 NC headphones right there, so I'm going to hover over it. I'm going to tap on Connect. And the headphones just said connected, and you can see it says connected right there as well. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.